Yo, what's up? Okay, for today's video, magre-react po tayo ng isang singer sa Cebu. I don't know what's his name, pero I videoed him during his performance. I like his song. I like the way he performs because he sings like Michael Panggilinan. Okay, here we go.
Oh my God, I can't figure out just what it was. It doesn't come, it's you. I get I get hardly I lose control.
Galing, galing.
So amazing, it's out of here. I want you to stay with me. Swallow my blood, your love is so sweet. That's me right up with my feet. Can't explain why your love that makes me weak. Yeah.
So may ganun-ganun pa siya. May visitor. Bigyan ng bulaklak. Magaling kumanta. Wow. Galing magpalsito. Wow, okay, wow. Magaling. Maganda magpalsito. What do you think? Magaling ba? Okay, that's it for today. So, good day. If you like this video, please comment down and then enjoy, have fun. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.